Namaste Taurus. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Hema and today I have your reading to see how the remainder of 2021 is going to be for you. Okay, so let's jump right in. Angels, divine guides, clear messages and guidance for Taurus to see how the remainder of 2021 is going to be for them. Let's cut your deck and get your overall energy. Oh, the Judgment. Very nice. Very peaceful energy I'm getting, Taurus. Let's get two cards from the Energy Oracle deck to add to the overall energy. Alright. Remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave what does not. Oh, a man holding a coin, which in the traditional tarot is the King of Pentacles. Very nice, stable energy. I got that energy when I was looking at your Judgment card. Very nice. 7th chakra, Archangel Uriel. So this talks about a spiritual awakening for a lot of you who are on this journey. That's very interesting. And it talks about a very divine kind of flow that you are entering. Very nice. I get a very comfortable, relaxed kind of a vibe. Let's see what Zen Tarot has to add to this. Alright. Oh, you got receptivity, and just look at the colors of both the cards. Very divine, very soothing. And you've got adventure. Lovely. This talks about, yes, it's about a journey, whether it is spiritual or physical, or the journey of life, which looks very, very positive to me right now. Oh, you've got a flyer already. That is the 7 of Swords. 5 of Swords, sorry. Angels, divine guides, clear messages and guidance for Taurus. Sun, Moon, rising. Alright, let's get 2 cards here. We already have one. Queen of Wands. Okay, very passionate, go-getter energy. We get one advice card from the Moonology deck. Angels, divine guides, clear messages and guidance for Taurus, please. One word of advice, please. Alright, let's see what your advice card is. A personal issue reaches resolution. Very nice. And it says full moon in Cancer. Okay. And we have the fortune cookies. So we are going to look at what is the bonus. What is the fortune that is going to smile on you? We get one card here which we will read at the end. Alright. Let me just pull them closer so you can see better. Yeah? Alright. Let's start. Oh, this is a very positive and it is a very soothing kind of an energy that I get. There has been, or you have been, in this energy of, stormy weather, which is talking about sort of conflicts or battles or disagreements, arguments, debates happening both in your personal life or professional life or both. Okay, and this has you haven't given up, which is the good thing in your favor, but it has sort of made you a little bit of wary. So this is the energy that you have been and you still find yourself in, but you're coming out of this energy because you haven't given up, and you realize as you stand up for yourself that you have what it takes. You have the fire. You are a go-getter. You're very wise. You're very passionate about something. Okay, so you may be battling with somebody or within yourself, and you've come to realize that what you're feeling passionate about, people, job, money, career, business, family, relationship, anything, you're standing your ground. and you're finding that you're right in it. Okay, now this Queen of Wands, she's fiery, she's passionate, she's a go-getter, she's a doer, she wants to get things done, and she wants results, and she's also very wise. Okay, so she's not just, because she's a go-getter, she's just going to go and attack or take charge. No, she's also very wise, so she chooses her battles very wisely. Okay, and that is what you've understood, because earlier all this drama has taken away a lot of your energy, and you now have understand or come to the understanding that you don't need to do that. Okay, you need to just believe in your passions, believe in your dreams and goals, and you just want to focus on that, and you are done with this battles or small chut-put fights. Okay, you're ready now to be more in the receiving rather than the doing. Okay, because it took up a lot of your energy to just work, battle, and sort of argue or whatever. So it has taken away a lot of your energy, and you've understood now that you're taking a step back. This receptivity is a very calming energy. So you're trying to calm yourself down, which is the Judgment overall energy also. You're trying to calm yourself down to understand how to behave and how to be more wise. Okay, you're choosing your battles to give your energy to, and that is the receptivity energy that I'm picking up, that you are now taking a step back from this drama and trying to figure out, is it worth me giving my energy to? If the answer is yes, you will. If the answer is no, you'll back off. Okay, so that is the kind of energy you're going to come into, because right now you are just about understanding that you are on the right path, and this path is about an adventure. Okay, it is about, the darkness represents all the fights and the drama that you have been going through, and you're moving towards the light. You've found the light. You've understood that your energy is precious, your time is precious, your love is precious, and it has to be given very, very wisely. It has to be shared very wisely. That is the illumination that you have received, and that is the new adventure for you. Okay, so you are moving into a different direction. So this different direction doesn't mean you leave your people behind. No, it means you're choosing to behave differently, to be different. Okay, and that is the new adventure path for you, because now you've understood your worth. Now the King of Pentacles is a very stable, secure energy. Now you're coming into this, where your energy was scattered. Now it is becoming grounded. Now you're understanding your worth. Okay, and when you understand your worth, you choose your battles. You choose whom to love. You choose whom to give your time and energy to, and that is a very beautiful energy that you are getting into. It's also it represents positive progress and positive results in your finances. Okay, so something regarding your job, your career, your business, your finance also will see a change, because you have changed. You will change. You will look at things differently. You will handle yourself differently. You will be different. So that will bring about abundance, prosperity, money, wealth, happiness, stability, security for you, because this is all divinely guided. The seventh chakra is the chakra which is the crown chakra, that is where the channel between you and the divine is the strongest. So if you are on the spiritual path, do meditations regarding the seventh chakra, which is the crown chakra, and even if you are not on the spiritual path, you can definitely listen to some guided meditations regarding the seventh chakra, because they will help heal your the way you feel about yourself. So you can look at self-love affirmations and meditations that will help you to come into this energy where you are being very wise about whom to give your energy, because you have understood your self-worth. It's a very powerful reading for you, because that has been the issue that is about to reach conclusion. A personal issue reaches resolution, sorry. Okay, so what was the personal issue? That you were not understanding your self-worth and you were battling, just because you were faced with things. Now you're becoming wise about what to give your energy to and how to follow your dreams. Understand your self-worth. Okay, so that issue is coming to a resolution, because the judgment is all about resurrection. Okay, so rising from the dead, being reborn, that is the energy, because you are now going to be reborn into a very positive, wise soul. Okay, so that is the overall energy. It's fantastic, it's very profound. Okay, it's very, very deep, and it will be a wonderful journey for you. That is why you've got the adventure card. Okay, to know your self-worth, I think, is a very positive and very profound and powerful message. Let's look at what the fortune card has to say for you. It says opportunities. A stranger is about to change your life. Exciting times and plenty of action, plus a special family reunion looks likely. Wonderful. I hope this reading resonates with you. I wish you all the very best, and I hope this comes true into your life. Please do like, subscribe and share. Help my channel grow. I'll see you soon. Namaste.